Hello guys, today I'm in casino here. We are playing with the bet of 2 rand. So I just wanted to show you guys how it works when you are working on casino rather than when you are online casino versus a real casino. So this is what happens, guys. So I want you guys to comment and tell me which one do you prefer, playing on real casino or playing on online casino. Oh, sure. Oh, all right. Sure. So guys, this is what is gonna happen here. Let's see how much this machine is gonna give it to us. We are spinning with 2 rand per spin. This game is called I'm not sure, Lord of the Auction. Is the same, more of the same as I'm gonna try to see. Okay, I'm gonna take you to another machine while we are waiting for the bonus. Here there is a bonus here. You can see this game is called is the more of the same as it's a book of Ra. Book of Ra, you know, it's in online game whereby you play. So here in real life you can play with a small amount, but you can get something better. So the nice thing about this game is that if you play it like this, you can also get a bonus inside the bonus. I wish it can happen so that you can see it. I wish maybe you can get more than 10k here today, so that it can be nice in our YouTube. So he's betting with a 3 rand. So we are on casino here. So the symbol that he must get, let me see. Oh, the bonus is over. So this is a real casino. You are with real casino today with master. You are real casino with master. It's dark here in the casino. It's not the same. It's very dark. No, they can't see me. It's very dark. They can't even see you. So there are buttons that you can press because this is a real life casino, eh, guys? So let me take you to another machine too, but we're gonna come back to the other one. So this is also the other machine. This book is a book of Ra, is still the same. So there won't be, I will just make it wanna be interesting. This is interesting. You will see a lot of money here, guys. I know it's going to happen in real casino. These guys, they bet with a higher bet, guys. They bet here, they make money. It's the same. Even online people, you do make money. We do make money a lot. But I just say it's gonna be nice if I can show you guys what happened in real casino. Let me take you back to another machine. So you know when I play online, you know, we make a lot of money there. In Betway, Hollywood, have you tried them? Like the Hollywood bet. The first time when I played, I came here in this place. I was even 20 rand, it was on December. I won 7,000. It was my Christmas. Alright guys, let it go in. Let's hope something is gonna pop up. We need a bonus right now guys. We need a bonus. In order for it to be nice, we need a bonus. A serious bonus. Let's get a 4 scatters. So they are also called as scatters in real life, in real casino. You see that? Oh wow, let me show you something. You see what happens here. So you can also get a full screen, which I never get in online. I never get this online, but you can get a full screen here. It's counting. That's a nice thing about playing also in real casinos if you have time. That's why I love playing in real casinos. This is a bonus. Okay, he got the bonus that side as we wanted. Let's see where this bonus is gonna take us. So you see how here in that side of online we don't choose. Here Mara you choose and you got K, and I love K. K is a nice letter. Let's see if it can be a full screen. Yes, wow. Oh, I thought it's a full screen, but he got extra more bonuses, which I love. So you have more 10 free spins. So guys, one day I will take you when I go to casino. When I come this side, you come with me. This is a nice machine. I'm loving this machine now. Maybe it's gonna give him something better. Okay, you can see that he won. Okay, plus 38 AG according to what I see. You see, so that's why I encourage you guys. If sometimes you can go to casino, real casino, go there. Let's see where it takes us. It's reading. Then there will be something on top there that you will see later. Let it keep tumbling. Let it be full screen. We want a full screen here. Full screen. We want it to be full screen. Let's get full screen for case. I want to see when we get full screen what happens. This is our balance right now. We have a nice. Oh, we are almost left with one to get a full screen. I just want you guys to see the full screen.